People gon' do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk out. 72 times 7. Forgive. People gon' always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who know retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases.
How's everyone doing? Alright, so I am actually gonna have buy entry buy entry. The plus is still big for the 600.4. The 200 ticks. Stop loss is going to be 200 ticks. Yeah, guys. Mm. 45.99.9. Wait. Alright, guys, we have been triggered here. We have been triggered. Let's see how this trade goes. The two ticks. Let me two ticks here. Got our break-even point here. I'll take partials. Buying from that supply area? No, I bought from the pretty much from the 4-hour demand. Yes, this is gold. Yep, we are trading gold. 15-minute time frame. You ready to take partials and leave it runner? Am I in the trade? Of course I'm in the trade, as you can see on the screen. Price of entry 4600.6. I had it at 0.4, but I got sleep 2 ticks. Not bad. So entry 4600.6. Hey, Kendrick. Zoom was any after Asia session lost yesterday. Did anyone take this move here? Because I got in the game, and I know you guys are probably asleep. This was the this move here. This was the move we should have waited for. That pullback. Mm. I didn't expect it to pull back though, but it did. I'm like, it's likely gonna pull back. I was like, nah, it's not gonna pull back. It should just continue. At least it should break that high before it does. You asleep? Yeah, be good. I just took it and went to sleep. I was up 2 hours after that, actually. You know, sometimes as traders, you just make a dumb mistake. And it cost us as traders. But these buys that we took this morning, they should be a winner. So NY opens in 6 minutes. We'll see if they're going to be on our side. NY open traders. Slow but pushing. Yeah, she is pushing. Mm. So we have our break-even target at 4610.6, which is pretty much 50% of our stop loss. So you got 100 ticks as a break-even point. I am looking for a one-to-one at least, but you guys don't have to wait for a one-to-one. Like I always say, you don't have to wait for a one-to-one. Trading, it's a individual process. So if the break-even point is what you're comfortable with, then make sure you do that. Make sure you manage your trade once we hit that. Don't say, hey, I'm watching this dude, he calls himself king. He waits for one-to-one, so I'ma just do what he's doing. Nah, don't do that. Do not do that. And remember, I'm saying that for your own sake. I'm saying that for your own mental health, because trading is very, very mental. So you hit that break-even point, if that's what you want, then make sure you make sure you secure some money. Okay, MG. What exchange should I use for USA? You got Trade of 8, you got AMP, you got Quantower, you got multiple choices, multiple options. We actually got to this break-even point, but this alert on trading view is not going off yet. I guess it has to cross it, but we already hit the break-even point. Alright, so we got 2 more minutes here. Why am I buying? Ask yourself overall, what's the trend? What's gold's trend overall? Is gold bullish overall or bearish overall? When you figure that part out, then we can continue this conversation. The over gold is bearish overall. Oh, okay. All right. I guess gold is bearish overall, guys. And this alert is still not going off. Well, we just hit the 50% break-even point. You know what to do. Make sure you take partials or go break even. Manage your trade how you see fit. I'll see if we're gonna get 1-to-1 here. You late to the party, Trading View. I guess we'll see in the next 30 minutes. Okay. Good morning, Rodrigo. You're in a rush today. It's your girlfriend's birthday. You're welcome, Rodrigo. Good morning, Rose. All right, Goldie, 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 Goldie. It's like this. Um, can you look for entry? Oh, as of right now, you are too late, OM. This time around, I'm actually expecting this 1 hour minor range high to be taken out, which is 4627.3. So we'll see what happens. So NY opened 5 minutes ago. But man, this candle is not aggressive enough. Let me check out this break-even target. We already hit it. Sell entry activated. All right, AMG. You're in sell too, but you're secured already. All right. I doubt it will go far down. Yeah, 50 ticks straight. All right. $200 ticks. Mark structure always win. King, my boy. You've not even won yet. This move has not even this. I'm looking at the 15 minute. Probably this. If you're looking at this move here on the 1 minute, might be a lot to you, but this is the 15 minute, my boy. Whatever happens with this trade, you see, this setup, I'm gonna take it. If I see this setup again tomorrow, I'm still gonna take another buy. You've not even won yet. You're already saying all that crap. Anyways, I saw buys, I took buys. You saw sales, you took sales. So you were swing. If you're a swing trader and you took sales, I don't know what to tell you because the 4 hour is not even bearish. The daily is not even bearish. Nah, just stop talking AMG. The fact that you said you were a swing trader and you took sales, yeah, that's it right there. You can trade. Yeah, you took sales, looking to swing it. There is no POS in the major high on the 4 hour. This thing is still bullish on the 4 hour until it breaks the 4 hour support. And then you have gaps to fill, potentially on the 4 hour, potentially to this low here, which is this 4 hour demand. I do see the reason why it feels like it's going to sell. But if I'm a swing trader, I'm looking at the 4 hour, I won't be trading this range at all. I won't be trading that range at all. But we'll see though. Yeah, I killed a bit. Yes, he's expecting that support to break. Let's stop talking and let price action talk. Okay. Yeah, when I got taken out, we got a 30-minute supply right here where this previous candle rejected. So for this to continue pushing up, we're gonna need to freaking close above 4615.7. Pretty much above the previous candle. Even if I'm going to even sell this, you see this pretty much this 15-minute supply that we rejected. That is where I'll be looking to actually sell this because this high right over here could not break this low. And if you remember, this same high to the left as of pretty much each year session could not break the low that it created. And then we created a low, failed to break this minor low down here. The same high failed to break the low that it created, and then we pretty much pushed all the way up. And this low right here had a minor BOS right here to the left, right? But it could not break this low. Well, if that's the case, we came back down and we still failed to break the low, right? Still failed to break the low. Overall trend is that we are still bullish, and we had a previous daily candle low right here as well, struggled to break it. So worst case is to pretty much go back up here if we are going to fall, and then we can start coming down if we are going to fall. But I do not see us falling. I do feel like we are going to break this new 1 hour minor range high, and then we continue pushing up. Then we might get back to the previous daily candle high and we reject again, just as we've been doing. We've been doing this since pretty much since the first time we created this high on Monday. Just look at that. Every time we get up, we keep rejecting. Come back down to the low, we keep rejecting. That's what we've been doing since Monday. Bagley? Hey, bud. Bagley. Hi. You guys remember when I used to do those 3-day boot camp, 7-day boot camp? I'm thinking of bringing it back again this year. Or maybe I shouldn't. Come on, go. Just hit this 1-to-1. And whatever you do after that is a bonus. Is the side part of your trading view just loading? What, the side part? What do you mean? The side part? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean, style. Oh, where I switch watch list? No, I actually did that on purpose because I have a ultra wide screen monitor, and when I use the whole thing, it is harder for you guys to see. You see right there, there you go. We'll just leave it like this. You happy now? So I have to zoom in to it like this so that you guys can see my screen better. Probably gonna get a smaller monitor and just use that monitor for streaming purposes only. Use that as my third monitor, I guess. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta let one of my dogs out. All right. New 1 hour candle just opened. Thank you for the follow review. Where's the body that sold? He's still talking? No. I don't even know if he's still here. Still in that 30 minutes supply zone. It's this one right here. Still reacting to it. If you're scared because I just do that 30 minute supply and we rejecting, hey, you can take some partials now if you want. manipulation starting. You said it's stressing for sure. Like I said earlier, because of what this high did at this low, the fact that it rejected, worst case, if we go into fall, I would expect it to get back to that same supply that we rejected previously, because that this high at 4627.3 could not break the low that created it, so could not break below the range. Now, it should get back up there if we are going to fall. If I am going to sell at all, that will be the zone I'll be looking to sell from. And I am not interested in selling, not with this setup. You still holding? Yeah, I do believe you could still be holding. Because you trade on a 4 hour, probably have a stop loss above this high at 4627. Or who knows, you might even have it above the previous daily candle high. I don't know how you trade. They are still trying to sell from that 30-minute supply. Might see some turbulence, yeah. Yeah. Because that 30-minute supply is still broke a minor low, I believe. Yeah, still broke a minor low. It just could not break the major low of the range. But as far as pushing it all the way down, I don't think it's going to happen from this 30-minute supply. So close to this 1-to-1 though. How many ticks? 11. For Freaky Friday. This used to be a song in high school. Making sellers thinking to go now. It's a healthy range though. Anyone looking for re-entry a lot? If you're looking for a re-entry, man, let us get 1-to-1 first. uh, all right, I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. 1-to-1 smashed. Spam W's in the chat. Let's go. All right, so I am going to move my stop loss to break even here. Just one tick above entry. That way, I don't give anything back. Let's go to top step. AMG is the one in a sell position. It probably is still in this trade here. Let's post this in Discord. Oh no. It's longs, not short. All right, now this is a risk-free trade. Damn, only 2 people took this on YouTube. All right. You're still in sell position. You added? No, come on. AMG, tell me you're kidding. You added more positions? Oh, well, I don't know what your risk management is. You got in on the re-entry. All right, James. Where was your re-entry? Are you dead serious? Okay. Yeah, QW James said he did. Maybe he got in again once this candle, this can cause this previous candle here was bearish. Maybe he got in again once it started flipping. I wouldn't get in like that, but we all trade differently. 4607. I think you trade futures. So yep, I kind of knew it. So yep. So probably when this candle started flipping bullish, that's when he got in again. Oh, Forex? Oh, where's 4607 on Forex? Your stop loss is above 1 hour supply. 1 hour supply, 1 hour supply. So are you using this 1 hour supply to the left, right? The one that this 1 hour major range, minor range high rejected, or are you using the most recent 1 hour supply, which I wouldn't call this a 1 hour supply, but it is there. But this 1 hour supply does not meet my own requirement for supply, for a valid supply zone. It does not meet my own requirements. People mark their supply and demand zones differently. Everyone has their own requirements that they look for when it comes to demand and supply. For me personally, this 1 hour supply here, I'm not saying it's not there, but it's just not strong enough for me to consider that 1 hour supply. That's why I've not mentioned the 1 hour supply the whole time. I have mentioned the 30 minute because that's the one that's valid for me. Uh, I will hope to think you're talking about the 1 hour supply to the left, the previous one. For me, that previous 1 hour supply makes more sense. Oh, the most recent, okay. I do not see this coming all the way down and breaking this major 1 hour range low at 45.84.2. I do not see us breaking below that. And if we do, hey, it is what it is. But based on my experience and what I know, and with what happened at this low, and we are still bullish overall, if we hold this 1 hour supply, we might just uh maybe we get up there, we reject, calm down, create a support, we do this, and then we break. Do not think we are going to push all the way down, even if that supply holds. You were bugging. That was the original entry. The entry was at 46.13. Okay. Okay, pretty much around this bullish flip candle. Thank you, Miss T. Let's add this to the journal. One entry 600. Mm. 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 Definitely structure trade. 1,620. Is a big shout out to Malcolm trading in the middle. Oh, yeah. That was oh no, that was this was wrong. That's wrong. Was 580. My playlist is fire. Thank you, AMG. No, I'm old school. In my opinion, I feel like the last year we had any type of good music was in 2018. Maybe about to flip bull if can break that 6 a.m. high. Can we get 400 chicks in this move? We got 200. We got 200 more to go. Oh, you're Nigerian. You're from Abuja. Okay. You live there, or you're here in the U.S. If we get into one or two, it ain't happening anytime soon. You don't think? You're probably right. You live in Miami? Oh, nice. I live in Texas, and I'm Nigerian too, by the way. But I live in Texas. Man, Nigerians, we everywhere. I never thought I would hear a Nigerian living in Miami. Well, that makes sense because the weather is actually similar. Okay, I could see it. Except for the rain. It rains too much in Florida. What mobile laptop should you buy? I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Ask me about trading, that's what I know. I don't know what type of laptop you should buy. Well, Style said you should buy a Mac. Man, I used to love this song back in the day. I still do, actually. You have yours over 3 years now. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that Mac has paid its dues over and over again. All right. All right, everybody. I appreciate everyone for hopping on. Make sure you join the free Discord. Link is in the description. You need guidance. That link is also in the description. Aside from that, I appreciate you all. We'll be back again tomorrow, Friday, which is, of course, the last day of this trading week. So I will see you guys then. Zoom. I will see you guys during AGS session. Appreciate you all. God bless. I am out. Peace.
Yeah, Abake again. People go wrong, people go do you, but still love them.
You're welcome, Kendrick.
Cause the good book talk 72 times, yeah. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true, forgive.
Love your neighbor, let's say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who no retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know be sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go let it live?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy thought but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70.
Love him,
Baba Kese.